first jug. I just put him out a couple minutes ago, and I think we already got one. Yeah, we definitely got one. All right, let's run. Come on. Be a 10 pounder. Be a 10 pounder. Yep, he's on. What do we have? Really? That one ain't even worth keeping. He's too little. Well, we got. He ain't that big, as you can tell. Coming up on this one right here, I think it might have another one, but I think he's gonna be a little like these other ones. So maybe he won't be terrible, but who knows? Oh, yep, there we go. State record. He's way too little to keep, so I don't have a size limit on them or nothing. It's just when they're too little like this on there. But I just got a double up right here. That bottom one I'm probably gonna keep just because he's a little bit bigger. But I don't know how much that is by now. Next one right here, and it just got hit. So yeah, he's trying to run with it. He may not be as big as this last one, but hopefully he's at least decent, and I'm able to keep him. Ooh. No. Number 2 right here. Yep, got him. Oh, he's a little bitty. He ain't worth keeping. Call today, so it wasn't bad. We got a couple of them, so who knows. This one right here, and it looks like it's got a nice catfish on it. That one may look like it actually has one too. I can't tell, but this one's definitely been running. I saw it run for a while, so oh yeah, he's on. That one's a better one. That one's actually not bad. I'll keep him 100%. That's better than what I've been catching.